Hey everybody, here at a secret flying spot in the bowels of Orange County, and we're going to do some flying today. I'm here with my friend Drone Xcursion.
Oh, hey, what's up everybody?
He's going to teach me how to fly. This guy's seriously good, and you should watch his channel on YouTube, Drone Xcursion. All right, you guys, see you in a little bit. We're being shut down.
Sorry.
She's nice about it. She's great, but we're told that we can't fly here, so maybe it's not such a great spot. All right.
Just all of
All right, so this super secret spot flying in the bowels of Orange County is not so secret to somebody because we're just told to leave. But we'll be back. Just because you tell us to leave doesn't mean we won't be back. So we're just going to find another spot. So come along with us and we'll talk to you soon. Okay, that last place was a bust. But doesn't mean that we might not try that place again. But we're at super secret place number 2. And after a while, no place will be a secret, but we'll keep on trying. So we're here in an undisclosed location in Orange County, behind the orange curtain. And this place, it looks like a little family park, but I think it should be all right. There's nobody around. All right, so just be a little quiet, and we'll get going. I'll see you later. All right, here we go. Cut their grass for him.
Yeah, doing them a favor.
Okay. Well, the battery's still good. Okay, newsflash. We have a lost drone that we're retrieving. Drone Xcursion is down the hill. We're the way the F up there. Drone crashed over here. There he is. We could hear it. Around here somewhere. I could hear the thing. It's around here somewhere. It's like a cricket. This thing's like an effing cricket.
No drone left behind. I hear you, buddy. I'm coming for you. Don't start beeping or
It's around here somewhere.
motherfucker. No drone left behind.
You have it in your hand?
I do.
Oh, awesome.
Woo! Yay. It's totally perfectly fine.
All right, the drone has been recovered. It was in these thick bushes here, and Drone Xcursion was able to find his drone, and he had to go in with flip-flops. Moral of the story, have shoes in the trunk of your car. Yeah, that's right. Here he comes here. So we'll get the after action report here. Here, look, flip flops, and he's like Grizzly Adams.
No drone left behind. I got it. Oh my gosh, dude, this poor thing has been beeping for what, a good half an hour?
Yeah, how hot is the battery? Hot? Yeah, it's warm,
yeah.
but it's not too bad.
The VTX was really hot.
Oh, I bet.
But I bet it's still fine though.
Yeah, hopefully the VTX is fine.
The main thing is the GoPro. I got a naked GoPro on here. I want to make sure I got that back. I mean, that's like $400 by itself.
Yeah.
But I think it's probably good to go.
Yeah.
Heck, let's just finish off this pack. It's not even done.
Yeah, let's go.
Send it.
All right, so there we go.
Woo.
All right, you guys. I'll see you later. I'll talk to you soon. Take care.